Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Let's take a trip on Glenmuir Road, Maypen. For sale is this beautiful, spacious two-story house with 3 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. The ground floor consists of a semicircle veranda to the front, kitchen, laundry room, sunken living room, and a den with entertainment area combined. There is also a TV room, formal living and dining, powder room, and a bar area. The first floor has a master bedroom and 2 other bedrooms with own bathroom. It also boasts a tank that harvests rainwater and another tank for NWC water. There is also a well-maintained garden and a beautiful paved stone driveway. The land area of this house is approximately 15,251 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 78 million or US $506,700. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.